Hello again, guys. Marvin with JaguarTopRepair.com. Just wanted to let you guys know, if you're having a problem with your 1997 through 2016 Jaguar convertible tops, now is the absolute best time to cut a deal and get your convertible top fixed. As we prepare for winter, spring is right around the corner, and now, before my calendar fills, is the absolute best time to call me up, get your convertible top fixed. I'm a lot more flexible on pricing now. Once my calendar fills up, the chances of cutting a good deal, those opportunities go down. So if you're looking to get your convertible top fixed, again, on your 1997 through 2016 convertible tops, now would be the best time to give me a call. You can reach me at 888-317-9340. Again, 888-317-9340. Thanks.